In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix cutoff data points on Google Sheets. If you've ever been working with a data chart in Google Sheets and noticed that some of your data points seem to be disappearing or getting cut off, you know how frustrating it can be. Thankfully, there's a simple solution, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. First things first, open up the Google Sheets document that's giving you trouble. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets on your web browser and selecting the file you want to work with from your list of documents. Once it's open, go to the chart in your sheet. This chart is where your data points are not displaying correctly. Now you want to find the More Options button. This is usually indicated by 3 vertical dots located somewhere in the top right corner of your chart. Clicking on this brings up a drop-down menu with several options. In this menu, look for and select Edit Chart. Doing so will open the chart editor on the right side of your screen. Within the chart editor, you'll find a range of customizable settings for your chart. What you want to do next is click on the Customize tab. This tab will give you a variety of options to adjust the look and behavior of your chart to better fit your needs. Next, scroll down in the Customize tab until you locate the section labeled Vertical Axis. Clicking on this will allow you to adjust specific settings related to your chart's vertical axis, which might be what's causing those data points to be cut off. Once inside the vertical axis settings, you'll see fields for setting the minimum and maximum values for your axis. Here, your task is to look for the max field. By adjusting this value, you can control how much of your data is visible on the chart. As per our example, we're going to change this maximum value to 25,000. Type 25,000 into this field, and you should instantly see a change in your chart, as it updates to display all data points within this new axis limit. And there you have it. By simply adjusting the maximum value of the vertical axis in the chart editor, you've now managed to showcase all the data points that were previously getting cut off. Remember, customizing the vertical axis to fit your data properly can make your charts far more informative and visually appealing. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this has helped you solve any issues you've been experiencing with cutoff data points in Google Sheets. Feel free to pause and rewind this video at any stage to ensure you get each step right. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.